contenders are totally different, but they're evenly matched. Neither side backs down. But then the Rattler's fangs score a direct hit, and this time she feels it. Although Roadrunners can eat venomous snakes, they're not totally immune to their bite. With the venom racing through her body, this'll be the last time she takes on a rattlesnake. For the snake, it'll just be a matter of minutes until he can enjoy his meal. From a deadly venomous attack to one of the most fearless animals on the entire planet, life doesn't get much tougher than in the Kalahari Desert. Here, the infamous honey badger is a crazy animal fight club contender that punches well above its weight. They get their name from raiding bees' nests for honey. Bad boys of the animal kingdom, they're constantly ravenous and will kill and eat just about anything they can get their claws on. Taking down a venomous snake is all in a day's work. They can eat 10 feet of it in one sitting. With their stocky bodies and muscular necks, they stand just over 9 inches high at the shoulders. What they lack in size, they make up for in pure, unadulterated aggression. This mother honey badger is out hunting with her 1-year-old cub. She spots some black-backed jackal pups and wants to eat them.